Chandi Homa, a powerful Vedic ritual for protection, prosperity and divine blessings. In the vast realm of Vedic rituals, Chandi Homa, also known as Chandi Homam or Chandi Yagya, holds a position of profound significance. This sacred fire ritual is dedicated to goddess Chandika Devi, a fierce and compassionate form of goddess Durga. She is revered for vanquishing evil, removing obstacles, and bestowing unshakable courage and spiritual upliftment. Deeply rooted in the ancient Devi Mahatmyam, the Durga Saptashati of the Markandeya Purana, the Chandi Homa is more than just a ritual. It's a cosmic celebration of the divine feminine power, Shakti, in its most glorious form. It's especially performed to overcome intense negativity, invoke protection, ensure victory in challenging circumstances, and experience the blessings of good health, wealth, and peace. The significance of Chandi Homa in the Vedic tradition. Chandi Homa is unique because it invokes Devi in her fierce and motherly aspects simultaneously, a form that both destroys unrighteousness or adharma and nurtures righteousness or dharma. It is performed by reciting all 700 verses of the Durga Saptashati, also called Devi Mahatmyam, during the Homa, with offerings made into the sacred fire, Agni, as the mantras are chanted. These verses recount the divine exploits of goddess Durga in destroying the demonic forces represented by Mahishasur, Shumbha Nishumbha, and Raktabhija. According to the Puranas and Tantric scriptures, Chandi Homa is known as a Kamya Karma, a ritual that can be performed for fulfilling specific desires, such as the removal of obstacles, protection from curses or black magic, healing chronic diseases, victory in legal or business matters, childbirth, and even spiritual upliftment. It neutralizes the negative energies that affect an individual or family due to enmity, ancestral issues, or external forces. Victory in critical challenges, whether one is fighting a legal battle, facing obstacles in a career, dealing with competitive exams, or business rivalry, this Homa invokes Durga's invincible energy to grant victory in critical and life-altering situations. Healing from chronic diseases. Chandi Homa is also sought for healing purposes, especially in cases where illnesses seem to have no medical cause or persist due to karmic reasons. Goddess Durga as Sri Chandi Devi removes the root cause of such suffering. Removal of doshas and curses. Those suffering from Pitru dosha, Naga dosha, Stri dosha, or experiencing repeated failures in marriage or progeny matters, find relief through Chandi Homa, which appeases the Divine Mother and grants balance. Blessings of prosperity and harmony. By invoking the complete Shakti through the Devi Mahatmyam, the ritual bestows abundance, prosperity, harmony in relationships, and protection of family and assets. Spiritual advancement and inner strength. Chandi Homa purifies the aura, elevates the subtle energy body, and builds spiritual protection for seekers on the path of self-realization. It helps in removing subconscious fears and strengthens willpower. The significance of Chandi Homa in the Vedic tradition. Chandi Homa is unique because it invokes Devi in her fierce and motherly aspects simultaneously, a form that both destroys unrighteousness or adharma and nurtures righteousness or dharma. It is performed by reciting all 700 verses of the Durga Saptashati, also called Devi Mahatmyam, during the Homa, with offerings made into the sacred fire Agni as the mantras are chanted. These verses recount the divine exploits of goddess Durga in destroying the demonic forces represented by Mahishasur, Shumbha Nishumbha, and Raktabhija. According to the Puranas and Tantric scriptures, Chandi Homa is known as a Kamya Karma, a ritual that can be performed for fulfilling specific desires, such as the removal of obstacles, protection from curses or black magic, healing chronic diseases, victory in legal or business matters, childbirth, and even spiritual upliftment. Why perform Chandi Homa? Here are some of the major benefits and purposes for which devotees seek the blessings of Chandi Homa: destruction of negativity and evil forces. Chandi Homa is one of the most powerful ways to counter black magic, curses, evil eyes, Odrashti dosha, and malicious planetary effects. Participate online at Sri Bhuvaneshwari Avadutha in Pudukkottai, Tamil Nadu, invoking her divine energy to remove obstacles, protect devotees from negativity, and bless with health, prosperity, and spiritual upliftment. The core components of Chandi Homa. The performance of Chandi Homa is intricate and typically done by Vedic scholars and priests well-versed in Shakta traditions. The ritual consists of Navakshari Japa, recitation of the 9-lettered mantra. This is the Bija mantra of goddess Chandika, Om Aim Harim Kleem Chamundai Vichhe. It is chanted 108 or 1008 times as part of the Sankalpa. Durga Saptashati Parayan, all 13 chapters containing 700 verses or slokas are recited. Each chapter corresponds to a specific energy and story within the Mahatmyam. Prathama Charitra Mahakali, Madhyama Charitra Mahalakshmi, and Uttama Charitra Mahasaraswati. Homa fire ritual. Offerings like ghee, dry coconut, honey, sesame seeds, herbs and special samidhas are made into the Agni as mantras are chanted. Each verse of the Devi Mahatmyam is offered with sacred materials. Navarn Mantra Homa. Thousands of offerings are made with the powerful Navarn Mantra, accompanied by Shakti Pitha Devi Mantra Japas for specific purposes like marital harmony, fertility or protection. Purnahuti and Purnahuti Samarpan. The final offering is made with Purnahuti, symbolizing the completion of the ritual, offered with full devotion, grains and sacred herbs. The divine symbolism of Chandi, Chandika Devi, is the embodiment of Kundalini Shakti, the primal creative force within each being. She is Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, and Mahasaraswati in a single form. She is the slayer of fear, confusion, ego, and inner demons. The Chandi path or Devi Mahatmyam teaches not only about outer battles but also our internal struggle with tamas, lethargy, rajas, aggression, and ego. Through her grace, the sadhaka becomes a warrior of light. Auspicious timings to perform Chandi Homa. Although the Chandi Homa can be performed on any day based on the devotee's need, some extremely auspicious days include Ashtami, the 8th Tithi, and Navmi, the 9th Tithi, during Shukla Paksha. Navratri, both Chaitra and Sharad Navratri, Durga Ashtami, Mahanavmi, Amavasya and Purnami, Tuesdays and Fridays, and Magha, Chaitra, Ashwin months as per the lunar calendar. These periods are spiritually charged and amplify the benefits of the Homa. Chandi Homa at Sri Bhuvaneshwari Peetham, Tamil Nadu. In the serene and spiritually charged ambience of Sri Bhuvaneshwari Peetham in Tamil Nadu, Chandi Homa is being performed as a daily ritual service for the next 3 years, offered through the trusted spiritual platform Astro Puja. This Peetham is a powerful Shakti Sthalam associated with Sri Bhuvaneshwari Devi, one of the Dasha Maha Avidyas. Performing Chandi Homa here combines the energies of Chandika and Bhuvaneshwari Devi, making it one of the most potent locations for this sacred fire ritual. Whether you are seeking solutions to life challenges, karmic relief, or deep spiritual upliftment, participating in the Chandi Homa conducted at this Peetham infuses your sankalpa with the highly energized vibrations of the Bhuvaneshwari Bindu Sthanam. Astro Puja ensures authentic rituals by experienced Vedic priests, detailed sankalpa in your name, nakshatra, rashi and gotra, prasad raksha thread, and energized articles delivered, and flexible options for single day, monthly or annual participation. Who should perform Chandi Homa? Those going through long-standing karmic struggles or illnesses, individuals facing legal issues, marital discord or infertility, devotees under severe planetary affliction like Shani, Rahu Ketu or Mars, families affected by ancestral doshas or black magic, spiritual seekers looking to awaken the divine feminine within, and anyone who seeks inner strength, success, and divine grace. Chandi Homa, when compared to other Durga rituals. While Durga Puja and general Homas invoke Devi in a gentler form, Chandi Homa is a higher tantric and Vedic level of invoking her destructive and transformational powers. It is more intensive in nature and requires deep scriptural accuracy, which is why it is not casually done in homes without trained pundits. How to book a Chandi Homa at Astro Puja? To participate in the daily or customized Chandi Homa at Sri Bhuvaneshwari Peetham, you can register your name and sankalpa through Astro Puja's platform. Their support team will guide you on auspicious dates, repeat homas, and combined rituals like Chandi plus Navagraha Homam, Chandi plus Durga Sukt Homam, and special Chandi Homam during Navratri. NTHE Chandi Homa is more than just a ritual. It is a spiritual rebirth. In every flame that rises from the Homa Kundam, you are surrendering your fears, doubts, diseases, debts, and karmic baggage to the Supreme Mother, and receiving back the fire of divine grace, strength, and fulfillment. As the Devi Mahatmyam says, Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupina Samasthita, Goddess who dwells in all beings as energy, we bow to thee. If you're feeling stuck, under attack, or in search of deeper purpose, let the Goddess Chandi blaze her path through your life. Participate in the powerful Chandi Homa performed daily for the next 3 years at Sri Bhuvaneshwari Peetham through Astro Puja and experience the inner and outer transformation she brings. To schedule your personalized Chandi Homa, visit astropuja.com or connect with our team for dates, sankalpa options, and additional rituals. Let Shakti work wonders in your life.